Thanks for joining us. Valley News Live. It's in the 10 o'clock hour and we have some changes to talk about. And the first thing I want to impress on you is that you download the Valley News Live weather app, search VNL Weather in the App Store today. Check it first thing in the morning. We're updating it all the time. Also, make sure you check in with our team here on the Valley today because we are already seeing a changeover to snow, and we do have some evidence that it is snowing in places with snow accumulating on grassy areas and portions of Beltrami County, mainly north of the Bemidji area. This means your morning commute could be compromised in a few locations. It will not be horrendous, but with the snow starting already, it's off to a good start. We still have some rain out in the Thief River Falls area down towards Ada and Norman County, also Monoman County, rain showers showing up there, but there's that narrow band of cool air, a pool of cool, if you will, that's causing flakes to fly. Oh no, oh no. All right, let's take a look at what's going on right now out at the area of Fargo. We have some rain showers, but they're slowing down here. Thursday, snow from the north will move south throughout the day. So in Fargo, in points south of us, we're not going to see anything for the first half, maybe even 3/4 of the day, but about late afternoon or the drive time, things will move into town. Now that means all day snow up north will be impactful, and by the evening you'll have challenging travel conditions on your commute home. It snows all night, and in the morning, some of us even in the Central Valley will have a chance at some impactful conditions. We'll see some areas that do get 10+ inches of snow. I'm feeling even more confident of that now that things are getting started as early as they are. And oh yes, Saturday, a secondary system makes its way through. We're calling that the, well, round 2, I guess, if you will, with the first round Thursday night into Friday. Here's how it plays out right away in your forecast. We got quiet conditions now off to the west with the rain showers focusing on Minnesota. In this area, as we go through the overnight hours, we're going to see it mix with, change over to snow as we get towards daybreak. And there could be some light accumulations and in some areas some slushy roads in northwest Minnesota up towards Roseau County, Beltrami County. We could even see some snow out in the Devil's Lake Basin as well to begin your day. Down south, the wind begins picking up here, but we're not too snowy. So we go into the afternoon. The snow starts to bend its way down. Now we will still see rain and warm enough conditions for rain in the valley for the better part of the day, but it's a drive time home when things start to transition here. We're talking between 4 and 7 p.m. And up north, your travel home between 4 and 7 p.m. will already have several inches of snow on grassy areas and maybe even on roads as well. With wind-driven snow with gusts over 40 miles per hour, it's going to be quite tricky in many locations. Notice as we go into Thursday evening, the heaviest of the snow is going to be on the Minnesota side of the river, and there's another band of it up here near the Walhalla and Langdon areas as we give the Frost Fryer area some snow to start the season off with for the ski conditions. How much? By tomorrow night, late, as we're heading to bed. Look at this. There's an expansion of the snow down into Lakes Country where you see the dark blue shades here. So 3 to 8 with the best chance of the 8+ up here where it's already snowing. But down south, we could have some healthy amounts as well. Fargo, Grand Forks, a trace to maybe a couple of inches, and that Walhalla area picking up some more. It continues overnight into Friday, but notice it's a couple of distinct bands. The exact location of where these set up is a little questionable, but they have been fairly consistent here, showing one in Minnesota and one in North Dakota. That being the case, take a look at this. We're talking 6 to 10 inches of snow where we have the pinks, a wide area of 3 to 8 inches of snow, including Becker County. We're talking Clearwater County and also all the way up into northeast North Dakota. Again, Grand Forks, Fargo, a trace to maybe 3 inches. It's going to ramp up greatly as we get on the east side of the Red River. Right now, 30s and 40s and freezing in that little cool pool that's causing flakes. Fargo tomorrow, you're out the door, 30s, dry, windy. And then the wind is joined with some snowflakes. It first starts as mixed precipitation, becoming all snow into the evening and overnight hours. We'll get some accumulation here in Fargo, and I am thinking a good 2 to 3 inches will be possible by the time we're done on mid to late morning on Friday. 30s for most of the area as we go through the day on a very windy and snowy transition, well, to the winter season. Bonnie, thanks for your photo planning forecast. First alert weather days through Friday. In the afternoon on Friday, though, the system's out of here. The wind and cold takes hold. It'll be wind chilly, by the way, for most of Friday afternoon and Saturday morning. Saturday afternoon, that Alberta Clipper looks like it's just going to clip a little bit. You know, a couple of inches of snow. It doesn't look too bad right now. The track is changing, so there's a little lower confidence on that, but we will keep you updated. Again, check with our friends in the Valley today in the morning. Download the weather app, and you'll stay ahead of our shovel trouble we have coming our way.
Just a little snip on
Saturday. On Saturday.
All right, thanks, Hutch.
Yeah.
Along with celebrating veterans, we're celebrating their support dogs. That's next on Valley News Live at 10.